In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to play Monopoly Go with friends on iPhone. So first, make sure that you have downloaded the Monopoly Go on your iPhone and then also have an account with it. Launch open Monopoly Go and log into your account if necessary. Here I have already logged into my Monopoly Go game and this is how it looks like. Now, from the bottom right hand corner, tap on the Friends button. Click the Invite button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen in green and you should be able to see two invite buttons. You can invite your friends to join into the game through Facebook Messenger, or you can simply send the invitation link by choosing the orange option and then send the link to your desired friend. You can select any one invite link. Simply tap on invite and then go ahead and select the app that you'd like to use in order to send in the invitation. After you select your desired app, select the person you'd want to invite by tapping on them and tap send at the top right hand corner. Once your friend joins in with your invitation link, you'll be able to play Monopoly Go with your friend. That is how you should be able to play Monopoly Go with friends on iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.